town where there's a miner and he looks for his stuff. The village is a very strange place. Very strange indeed. The village isn't even that very wealthy. So the miner goes to this mine to search for some diamonds to make the village wealthy once more.
Whoa, that's a lot of ores. I might get them when I go back up. Iron, coal. What does leather do? What the? Oh my god. Wait, I might get Tom. Wait, no. He's back in India. Wait, this is so weird. Oh look, there's a sign. Look. Wait, look behind you. Huh? It's nothing there. Oh my god!